On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw this bed. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. You're going to need a pen and a pencil and an eraser. Now this is not the easiest thing in the world, so let's work this out. Now I'm drawing very, very gently. I'm not pressing hard, so we'll be able to erase these pencil lines later. This is how we work out what we're going to do. We're going to draw a parallelogram, so that is basically the top of the mattress. So you want it to kind of look wide enough and long enough. And then we're going to draw two lines down like that. So we'll think, maybe make it quite a deep kind of mattress like that. Come back there, so that's a parallelogram, that's a parallelogram, that's a parallelogram. And then you can maybe do something like that. So that's kind of the bed frame with a mattress on top. So here we're going to want to have the leg, and then that will come there like that, and that will come up a little bit, and here too we're going to have a leg, and that will be coming up there and down, but this one will be, so that's kind of flush up against the mattress, so we're kind of wanting to have it like that, and then we're going to want a piece coming across there like that, and then we're going to want a piece coming across the top. So that wants to be parallel again, like that. Come a little bit wider and to the side like that. And then we want to do something very similar at the other end. So that's going to go up there and down. That's going to need to be a parallelogram, so that will be the bottom of the leg on the head, which wants to go up a bit higher really, like that. And up there. And here again we'll have that going up. And that's the kind of inside part. These want to be parallel, and that's going to go slightly to one side. That's thin, and then it's kind of a flat top. And then we're also going to want to have a piece underneath, and here we're going to want to have a piece underneath as well. So let's see. Now on here we're also going to want to kind of think that we're going to want to have kind of pillows like that. So if we have two big cushiony pillows like that, and then maybe sort of smaller ones like that. You really want to draw everything that is closest to you first. So I'm going to draw this part of the top of the foot of the bed like that, and then I'm going to draw this leg coming down there and down there and down there, and then that will be kind of angled at the bottom. We might have a bit of shadow underneath there, and maybe there too. And here again we want to have one coming down and up. Now you want to be careful here because we want to have a piece going across there, and we want a piece going across there like that with a little bit extra. Oh, don't draw it all in, hang on, because this is all going to make sense in a moment. We're going to want to have little struts in there. That's gone too far. We want to have it sort of going like that, and down there and up and up, down and up, down and up. Oh, that was perfect time there, but not quite. There we go. And we can put a little bit of shading under there as well, like that. And then we want to fill in the rest of that part there. This is complicated. I know it's Draw Stuff Real Easy, but it doesn't mean the whole thing is easy. I'm just trying to make it as easy as possible. And here we're going to draw the bedspread. That'll be coming along like that. And that will be the mattress there. And then we can take the bedspread up there. And we're going to draw a cushion there and another cushion there. And I'm going to make this one not in a slightly different position there, and that one will be coming down there like that, and we want one there. This is not easy, is it? This is going to be the bottom of the bed frame, so then we can draw this leg. That will go up and up, and then we want to have the top of the bed frame here. It's a kind of a shaker style bed frame And that will go like that. That will come down to there. We want that little bit going across, and that bit coming down there. That will be a definite bit there, and we maybe have a bit of shadow there as well. And then we want those little bit sticks kind of going down there like that to give it that kind of shake of the bed look. Now when you are sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines and then it'll look a lot cleaner. You're going to get the wall about there, which is going to then kind of follow through there. And you might get the skirting board like that, so that will put it kind of in the bedroom. What's gone on there? Yes, that's right, that's under there, so that should be, yeah, better thing like that. We're going to want to kind of have the edge of the mattress kind of like that, then we can have the fold going over there, and that will be on there as well. Might have a bit of shading in there. Let's put a bit of a pattern on these cushions there, and then they might have a bit of sort of shading in there. Then we might want some shading on these legs on the floor and maybe a bit underneath the bed. And in fact, you know, I think I'm going to add a bit of shading just on this side of the bed there as well. Now, if you were to join me on Patreon, then you get a drawing guide for this, which will make it a lot more easy. And you get this video without adverts as well. And you help support me on Draw Stuff Real Easy to keep making how to draw videos. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.